Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a layered team hierarchy board using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas for clear visualization of a team structure. First, I select the custom shape tool and draw rounded rectangles for each team member. Then I duplicate them, slightly move copies backward, and darken to create depth. After that, I add circular custom shapes at the top for profile photos. Now I insert thin rectangles inside for names and positions. Next, I carefully align all rectangles vertically and horizontally for balance. Then I zoom in and refine spacing and corners for a clean look. After this, I apply subtle shadows to lift layers softly. Now I adjust colors to indicate department